Here for that, and there are houses, residential houses.
नहीं, but वो road फिर है.
Road in some.
Yes, on this way also. See. Yes, see.
This is that road, small road.
Yeah, this which is ending over here.
Ending here.
Yeah, and then it is showing there is a place for me for my land. Yes, see this 58 by 10.
This one, no small.
Yes, yes.
So why this was not tarred?
So I do not know. I have
And
given
what is this
application.
47/1?
There is an
There's a
area
house.
over
There's
there.
a small this and there's a house. This was a ex-police station.
So where is the railway track now here?
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
track is here.
Yeah, you're right on this boundary.
This boundary. On the eastern
So वो
side.
दाखयला तो तुम्ही आणि हांगा कित्याक कट जाता तो? So there is no
There
joining
is
to this
a
road.
water drainage over here.
See, where Poil
So where is the road which turns inside?
Yeah. This is that.
Amit,
All are
before,
using this.
before this road even was constructed, he pandi. These are all the waterways. This water, this was a marshland, it was drained. So ते पांडे असले सारी ते पुरेन आम्ही water आम्ही रस्ट केले. Before until 80s, this was all a pond.
And this road also is complete till here.
Yeah.
Till here somewhere it is a tar.
Till here it is complete. Till here it is tarred. Then this.
So from here to here it is remaining
It
now.
is remaining,
So
yes.
why don't all these owners come together, give single NOC कि बाबा आमका त्रास जाता whatever it
I am
is.
the only person here.
Yeah, so why these people are not giving?
I'll
Check
give
or
them.
मरे.
होय, बरे. So that is one thing. But going beyond this, also there are owners, there are residents.
But at least एक और नहीं पहले.
त्यांक area,
This is
but we have
सारखे तुझे मुखार आहा मरे.
त्यांका मुखार हा न्हू, ती मुखार हा त्यांका
No,
मुखार
but
हा.
their road ना जे मात केल्लो.
सर्वे प्लॅन
Same thing. That's the same thing.
सेम
There also road is there.
ना
tar road it is. Mud and then tar.
मुका टार रोड हा.
No, here,
Yes,
road is
here,
mati
50 meters from
No,
that
no.
side. That
Really, I'm talking about your area.
Or we
Your area.
my area, see mine is
तार
not
रोडाची माती घातल्या ना.
ना.
What I'm asking you, की हांगा तुका road आसा. If this was a tar road, you could have shown how can they dump mud on tar road.
at least you should have done this till here you should have done.
Yes.
This portion should have been done. This
Yeah.
is preference.
This
So
is
we
the
have-
difference.
Different will get it. Will
They
get
have
it.
to give the NOC now.
The MLA, I have heard that we have been accused of saying that we have not given letters to the MLA. So I have given to the letter to the MLA on the 3rd of January 2024, saying that this is my right of way and all the documents pertaining to whatever is needed I have already put along with this letter. So you cannot say that we have not approached the MLA. But I want to ask the MLA, when he comes to here, when he had come here for voting to ask for votes, that time he came to our doors. So are we to all the time go to his doors, or he should be coming to our doors over here? Are we not people to have a right of way? The double tracking is not for us, it is only for Adani. So I want my right of way, and we do not want double tracking. And also I have given an application for the tar of road, that is on 30th of November 2022 to the Panchayat. So here also I have written whatever what is the requirement for me, that is the right of way to, and this road to be tarred, the mud road to be tarred. And the pictures are all out here, why I need a tar road. That is, the vehicles are getting jammed over here, and our legs also, we cannot even walk through it during the rains, during the monsoons. So that's what all I want to say.
Not first time that Amit Patkar, our GPC president, has visited this area. Previously also, when there was an issue at on the way to Mola, also he was there along with Elton, our MLA from Kepe, Yuri Alemon. All of them have visited. It is not that this is the first time. So you need to just correct it. But for the right of way, all of them are here. Our Olencio and Moreno, he's our candidate also from Kurtori. Savio De Silva, district president. Rest of all our team is here. You know, there is so many people from other villages, nearby villages also here in solidarity with the villages of Premier Wado of Velsam. So, having said that, what we are fighting is for a just cause. We are not here to steal government land or to steal railway land. As Amit has rightly stated, you know, we have got documentation issued by the Director of Settlement and Land Records, which I'll share with you, wherein they have clearly stated that RVNL do not own any land here. This is state land, and state land belongs to the local panchayat. So all this we have very good documentation with us, which have also wherein also RVNL also has written that that they don't have access to this land. See, we have a letter from RVNL also. But having said that, there are some miscreants in the village, who are spreading a wrong that this land belongs to the railways. So it is not done. This land, let us put it on record that this land doesn't belong to the railways. We are very, very clear about that. This land belongs to the villagers and will rightly remain so, despite the fact that in the night, last night our Sarpanch, she has got photography evidence that until 2:30 a.m. this morning they're dumping mud in this area. Are we not humans and we do not have this? See, we are peace-loving Goans. Okay, otherwise in another area there would have been, what would have happened. But still we are appealing to the government of Goa. Please stop. You assert a authority. Goa is not for sale. Let there be, as demanded by our local Sarpanch, let there be a survey done in this area. This was agreed when our South Goa MP had met the collector South. And this was demanded that the entire stretch from all the three villages, that is Velsam, Pali and Isorsi, will have a demarcation done. Why it was only done for 18/1? Why not here? Let us get a clear identity of who owns what. Let us know what is, because as far as we know, there is no land acquisition in Velsam. There is no land acquisition for the railway project in Velsam as of today. So, railways and their corporates, their friends in Adani and Jindal, they must keep off our land. Otherwise, there will be a sustained agitation. This is what is a trailer, what is to come. All the associations across Goa, NGOs, the political parties within our state, across the state, they have contacted us. They have said we are ready. So the government better be warned what is coming next. They should stop dumping this and restore this land as how it was earlier. Now we do not have access. They have dumped land and blocked our way. So how are these people going to exit from this area?
Right to access पळय आसा तो is a fundamental right as per the article 19 and 21 of the Indian Constitution. आता ते right of access as per the right to easement act or Panchayat act or several high court judgments जे right to access पे आसा ते mandatory आसा. आता मे 2023 लँड अँड रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट प्रोमोलगेशन ऑफ रिकॉर्ड ऑफ लँड करून नोटिसा काढलेले. आता एज पर दॅट दे आर सपोज टू डिमार्केट अ लँड अँड गिव्ह न्यू सर्वे नंबर्स फॉर दी सो कॉल्ड रेल्वे. नाव एज पर दॅट हियरींग चलता म्हळ्यार कितें जें पळय काम पळय चलता रेल्वेचें सद्याक ती लँड पळय आहा ती इज अंडर प्रोमोलगेशन म्हण नॉट डॉक्युमेंट ना त्या लँडाचे. सो आम्ही लँड ओनरान ऑलरेडी लँड अँड रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंटान दाखवलेलें आसा की एज पर द लँड अँड एज पर द इन्स्क्रिप्शन डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी दॅट दीस लँड इज इन आर पोझेशन अँड नॉट इन द पोझेशन ऑफ रेल्वे. सो जेन्ना हे प्रोसिजर हियरींग चलता हो काम कसो स्टार्ट जाता म्हळ्यार हेजेर सिद्ध जाता की जे साऊथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे ऑर तेंचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर RVNL इज एक्टिंग लायक अ स्टेट विथ इन द स्टेट म्हळ्यार ते आमचे स्टेटीक डिपार्टमेंटाक कोणाकूच केअर करना. सो हांव मागता गोंयच्या सरकाराक की हे जे पळय रायट ऑफ वे पळय आसा जे लोकांचे जे लँड लॉक जातले सगळे गांवचे लोक वेलसांवचे लँड लॉक जातले. आतांच आमचे पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट सांगलेलें आसा हो सरकार लोकांचो ह्या दोन मनशाचो. म्हाका दिसता सरकारान एक क्लियर गोंयचे म्हाका दिसता खंयच्याच स्टेटींनी अशें जायना की लोकांक काबार करता लोकांची घर काबार करता लोकांचे एक्सेस बंद करतात तांकां फुगार करून मारता आनी फकत ह्या दोन मनशांक सपोर्ट करपाक सरकार मुखार वता. सो हांव मागता सरकाराक आनी कलेक्टराक हेजी दखल घेवचें आनी जाता तितले बेगीन हें काम पयलीं इलिगल बंद करचें आनी जे रायट ऑफ एक्सेस पळय ब्लॉक केलेलें ते ओपन करून गांवच्या लोकांक दिवचें म्हण सरकाराक.
सी दीस डबल ट्रॅकिंग इशू हो कितली वर्सां जालीं चालू आहा. आमचे नवे साऊथ गोवाचे खासदार जे नवे निवडून आयल्या कॅप्टन विरियाटो फर्नांडीस आणि तिनूय पार्लमेंटान जे सेशन जाले हे तिनूय पार्लमेंटाच्या सेशनान हो मुद्दो उठयला. लास्ट टायम अलॉंग विथ द सरपंच आणि बाकीचे सगळे रेजिडेंट्स देर वॉज अ मिटींग वीच वॉज कॉल्ड अलॉंग विथ द RVNL वेर स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान सांगिल्लें की वी वील सर्वे आमी करतले म्हणून. पूण आतां कळून येता की एकूच सर्वे नंबराचे सर्वे करून ते गेल्या वीच इज 18/1 आणि बाकीचे विलेजीन आजुनी सर्वे जाल्ली ना. आतां बारीक जर आमी हांगा पळयत जाल्यार फाटल्यान रेल्वे ट्रॅक दिसता आणि वो सायडीन जे आमी आतां उबे रावल्या पळय दिस इज अ विलेज रोड वीच इज रायट ऑफ वे ह्या लोकांक आपल्या घरा वचपाक. आतां मजा अशी की 2022 जेन्ना ह्या लोकांनी कलेक्टराक बरयल्लें ते कलेक्टरान एक रिप्लाय ह्या लोकांक दिल्ली आसा की एज पर ओल्ड पोर्चुगीज डॉक्युमेंट फाटलो जागो जो आसा रेल्वेचो हो रेल्वेक दिल्लो ना एक्विशन. बट सबसिक्वेंटली इन द इयर म्हणल्यार जो LRC जो जालो अंडर सेक्शन 14(1) वीच सेज दॅट जे टायटल ऑफ गव्हर्मेंट लँड्स फॉर एक्झाम्पल रोड्स किंवा रायट ऑफ वे जे आसतले हातून ताची लिगल एंटिटी पयल्या शिवाय तो जागो एक्वायर जावचो ना. दिस इज अ क्लियर कट गायडलायन्स ऑफ द LRC. आता इन LRC वॉट डज इट स्टेट? इट स्टेट्स दॅट ती प्रॉपर्टी प्रोवायडेड सब्जेक्ट टू राईट ऑफ वे अँड ऑल अदर रायट्स पब्लीक इंडिव्हिज्युअल लिगली सबसायडींग. म्हणजे आता राईट ऑफ वे जे आमी आता उबे रावल्या पळय दिस इज अ राईट ऑफ वे. जर तर स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचो जर तर ही प्रॉपर्टी जाल्यार रायट ऑफ वे इज फॉर द लोकल गोवन्स. आता फाटल्यान जो आमी कोळसो पळयता हो अडानीचो आणि जिंदालाचो कोळसो. सो आतां मुख्यमंत्र्यान सांगचें की गोंयकारा पासत तो रायट ऑफ वे प्रोटेक्ट करतलो काय अडानी आणि जिंदालाचो कोळसो व्हरपाक प्रोटेक्ट करतलो. म्हाका दिसता दिस इज अ क्लियर कट एटेम्प्ट की हे जे क्रोनी मित्र ह्या सरकाराचे आसा जिंदाल अडानी हांचो कोळसो व्हरपाक हें सरकार गोंय काबार करपाक उठला. स्वर्गेस्त आदलो मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर इज ऑन रिकॉर्ड सेईंग दॅट ताणें सांगिल्लें आपूण डबल ट्रॅकिंग जावपाक दिवचो ना. ताणें सांगिल्लें की स्टेटांतलो जागो आपल्या अंडर येता अँड आय वील नॉट गिव इट. सो वाय डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत इज सो हेलबेंट टू डू दीस डबल ट्रॅकिंग प्रोजेक्ट? कित्याक ही इज द पपेट ऑफ द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट. ताका वयल्यान ऑर्डर आयिल्ली आसा की तूं हें डबल ट्रॅकिंग कर आणि गोंयान कोळसो हाडून काबार कर. वी डिमांड दॅट द चीफ मिनिस्टर शूड कम क्लियर वेदर द रायट ऑफ वे वीच इज फॉर द गोवन्स. अरे लोकांची हांगा वस्ती आसा, गांव आसा, फाल्यां लोकांक हांगा एम्बुलन्स येवची पडटली, फायर ब्रिगेड येवची पडटली, फाल्यां कितें मेडिकल इमर्जन्सी जाल्यार लोकांनी वचप खंयच्यान? रेल्वे दारां येतली लोकांच्या? ऑर रेल्वे इज मोर दॅन द पीपल ऑफ गोवा? म्हणल्यार आमी गोंयकाराचो रायट प्रोटेक्ट करपाचो काय रेल्वेचो रायट प्रोटेक्ट करपाचो? हें म्हाका दिसता मुख्यमंत्र्यान क्लियर येवपाक जाय. हें येता ते फेब्रुवारी अधिवेशन आसा. आमचो लिडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन बाकीचे आमदार वी वील रेज दीस इश्यू. वी वील टॉक टू द मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट ऑल्सो अँड आस्क द ऑथॉरिटीज की बाबा सर्वे फूल हाजी कित्याक जावना? वाय ओन्ली वन सर्वे नंबर हॅज बीन एकूच सर्वे नंबराचे कित्याक सर्वे जाल्या? आय थिंक दिस इज अ road right of access, right of way which is being used for almost hundreds of years. And म्हाका दिसता स्थानिक जे ऑथॉरिटीज लायक कलेक्टर हू इज देर हू टेक्स केअर ऑफ द रायट ऑफ वे म्हाका दिसता तांणी इंटरव्यून जावपाची गरज आहा. आमी एकूच ह्या सरकाराक म्हजो प्रश्न आसा की आमी गोंयान रावपी गोंयकाराचो इंट्रस्ट पयलीं पळोवप काय हे क्रोनी हांचो कोळसो वता ताचो इंट्रस्ट पळोवप? जर तर सरकार जर तर हे गोंयकारा पासत जर तर ना जाल्यार इट शोज दॅट दे आर हियर टू डिस्ट्रॅक्ट गोवा. दे आर ऑल आउट टू सेल गोवा, टू डिस्ट्रॉय गोवा, टू डिस्ट्रॉय द आयडेंटिटी ऑफ गोवा, गोवा's rich culture, heritage. They are all out to sell it. They are all out to sell this to the crony friends of this government and to Delhiites. If we see today the destruction which is happening all across Goa in terms of land conversion, in terms of hill cutting, in terms of filling the fields, agriculture fields. So I don't see any legacy of what Manohar Parrikar told these people are carrying forward. And Manor Parrikar was on record, it is there everywhere, where he said that I will not allow double tracking. He clearly told that the land which is there in the state of Goa comes under state government's purview. So why this government of Pramod Sawant is hell-bent to complete this double tracking project? अरे सुप्रीम कोर्टान तांकां थंय रिस्ट्रिक्शन घातिल्लें आसा ऑन वेस्टर्न घाट्स नॉट टू इनक्रीज. सो वाय आर दे सो हेल बेंट टू कंप्लीट दीस प्रोजेक्ट? कित्याक कमिशन खावपाक जे हजारांनी करोड रुपया पळय डबल ट्रॅकिंगाक जे सँक्शन जाल्यात ताजें कमिशन खावपाक लागून तुमी हें करता? म्हळ्यार लोकांच्या जिवना कडेन हें सरकार खेळटा मरे.